Today we are making ghost pizza. For this recipe, you will need mini pizza breads. You will need cheese. You will need pizza sauce. This is it right here. Oh, hello, Trystan. I can't wait to make ghost pizza. Yay! You need broken cheese. You will also need sprinkles. My favorite is black.
Trystan, what's your favorite?
Mostly these are regular sprinkles. Let's start making. Let's do this.
You want to eat the cheese?
Yeah, a bit.
Sure, eat the cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Do you want some too, Bubba Boy?
Yeah. Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
yes.
I open it. I'll hold the camera, don't worry.
Okay.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, that's whatever Spider can.
Are you going to record
Spider-Man,
me?
Spider-Man, that's whatever Spider can. Pearl is opening the cheese.
I'm failing to open the cheese, actually. I don't know how to...
Yes, and also me
Oh,
and
I know.
Paris,
Okay.
me and Paris, we'll have also some cheese.
I need scissors. Bro, please have any scissors.
Yay! I'm freed.
Are you excited for Halloween?
I am super duper excited for Halloween.
Are you excited for Halloween, Paris?
Yeah. How about 2 pizzas so and then 3 pizzas so Pearl, Paris, Trystan, and Paris.
Yeah!
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Actually, can I?
This smells so good. I already want to eat it.
Don't eat it yet. We haven't cooked it. Oh, don't put your face on it.
Sorry.
It's so delicious.
Okay, so you have to spread the sauce evenly around the pizza bread. Everyone, this will take a little while, but you can watch. I really like the smell now. Smells like roast chicken.
Does it?
Just kidding. But it does smell nice. Alright, you want to do it? Okay, here you go.
Because this one will be Paris's one.
I'll spread.
Just put a little... Oh, Bob!
Rita. Accidentally did too much. Yes, he did. And mostly, also, we're already done making our pizza. Pearl over here is big stove. Yeah. Yeah. And we are going to next on our next thing. So now we need the cheese. You like cheese. Cheesy cheese, cheese. Now, you may watch us do the cheese. Let's do... How about Trystan do mine? I will do everyone's cheese. Now, our next step is to put them in the air fryer for 3 minutes. There. Yes. Yes.
You excited?
I'm too excited. Let's go eat this pizza. Oh. Hello, we're back. And we finally made our pizza, but we put it away for now. And now we're making our ghost. We already made Paris's one. And these spider stuff, this black spider stuff, we need to use that for the mouth and eyes. Yeah. And I'm making my next one, and Pearl will help me with it so I can look great as well. Hey, Pearl, can you please help me? No, I can't. Please just help me. Pearl, just please help me with the knives.
doesn't need a mouth. Oh, thanks.
We already have.
Pass.
Can I do? Can I
You can do one.
Okay, you can do one.
Can I do?
Pass, do the one.
And one. Doopy, doopa, doggy.
Done. We have been done with our thing.
The ghost looks sick. The ghost looks sick. Wait, I need to do something. Wait, let me do this. T. And
What are you
this,
making?
I'm just doing so we can know which one that's ours. And now we will put our ghost on thing. It's gonna be a little bit on the pizza. So yeah. Is that your pizza?
Yes, my pizza.
Is this my pizza?
What is it? I mean, it is, yeah, but... Oh. It is not upside down.
Is this mine? I just made mine.
Where I'll fix that.
Okay. We finished making a ghost pizza. Now you will see this floss. We finished making my ghost pizza. Now we may have a slice.
Love, you're in front of the camera.
I'm pushing down. Baby. And up.
Love,
A checkbook. I made a checkbook. Good. Passing is good. Good.
it's done. You did it.
Things
Okay.
is good too.
Now cut there.
We're back, and we're going to have a taste test. Okay, and I may have had a little tiny bite. Now we will have a taste test. Taste delicious. And please subscribe to this channel. Comment down what do you want us to make for the food next.
Now we will enjoy our pizza.
Paris, what do you think of the pizza?
Yeah, some say off.
Does it taste yummy?
Yeah, this one say off.
What do you rate it out of 10, Tristan?
What do you mean?
What do you rate the pizza out of 10?
Since I'm also the judge, I do it 10 out of
Out of
18.
10. It's 10 out of 80.
No, 18.
Put it out of 10.
No, 1. 10. It is good.
Is it a 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Paris, what do you think it is out of 10? What number out of 10?
10.
Great!